The common malfunctions of the X-ray machines and how to fix. As a specialized technician, let's delve into the common malfunctions of X-ray machines and their specific technical solutions. Error codes. Issue. Error codes indicate potential malfunctions within the X-ray machine. Solution. Technical approach. Consult the machine's manual for a comprehensive list of error codes and their corresponding explanations. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines to troubleshoot and resolve specific issues. Power and connectivity issues. Issue. Power-related problems can disrupt machine operation. Solution. Technical approach. Examine power cords for any visible damage. Verify proper connections to outlets and power sources. Address electrical faults using specialized diagnostic tools. Calibration and alignment problems. Issue. Misalignment affects image quality and overall performance. Solution. Technical approach. Recalibrate and realign machine components precisely. Use specialized alignment tools to ensure accurate functionality. Mechanical malfunctions. Issue. Moving parts and mechanical components may malfunction over time. Solution. Technical approach. Perform regular maintenance tasks. Lubricate moving parts with appropriate lubricants. Clean components to prevent debris accumulation. Implement preventive measures based on manufacturer guidelines. X-ray tube issues. Common causes of failure. Cathode filament failure. Tube arcing, anode failure, glass housing cracks or oil leaks, aging of tube components, rotor bearing failure. Solution. Technical approach. Use diagnostic tools to assess tube performance. High voltage generator problems. Issue. Faults in the high voltage generator impact image quality. Solution. Technical approach. Regularly inspect and maintain the generator. Address voltage fluctuations using specialized equipment. Control panel/console issues. Issue. Malfunctions in the control panel affect machine operation. Solution. Technical approach. Verify proper functioning of buttons, switches, and displays. Diagnose anomalies using technical manuals and diagnostic tools. Collimator problems. Issue. Collimator misalignment affects beam accuracy. Solution. Technical approach. Regularly check collimator alignment using specialized gauges. Recalibrate as needed based on precise measurements. Bucky table or wall stand repairs. Issue. Malfunctions in these components impact patient positioning. Solution. Technical approach. Inspect mechanical parts meticulously, lubricate and maintain moving components using specialized lubricants. Image detection system repair. Issue. Faulty image detection affects image quality. Solution. Technical approach. Regularly check detectors using diagnostic tools. Address issues promptly based on technical specifications. Remember, as a specialized technician, adhering to technical guidelines, using precise tools, and collaborating with manufacturer-trained engineers are essential for effective X-ray machine maintenance and repair. Performing maintenance on X-ray machines. As a specialized technician, performing precise and technical maintenance on X-ray machines is crucial. Let's break down the process step by step. Preventive maintenance. Technical approach. Regularly schedule preventive maintenance to keep your equipment running optimally. Only authorized and certified service personnel should work on the equipment. Collaborate with manufacturer-trained engineers for specialized calibrations and updates. Detect errors or component wear early to prevent major issues. Component care. Technical approach. Inspect all components meticulously. Lubricate moving parts using appropriate lubricants. Clean components to prevent debris accumulation. Replace worn-out components promptly with genuine spare parts. Calibration and alignment. Technical approach. Precisely recalibrate and realign machine components. Use specialized alignment tools. Ensure accurate functionality for optimal image quality. X-ray tube maintenance. Technical approach. Address common tube issues. Cathode filament failure, tube arcing, anode failure, glass housing cracks or oil leaks, rotor bearing failure. High voltage generator. Technical approach. Regularly inspect and maintain the generator. Address voltage fluctuations promptly using specialized equipment. Control panel and console. Technical approach. Verify proper functioning of buttons, switches, and displays. Diagnose anomalies using technical manuals and diagnostic tools. Collimator alignment. Technical approach. Regularly check collimator alignment using specialized gauges. Recalibrate as needed based on precise measurements. Bucky table and wall stand. Technical approach. Inspect mechanical parts meticulously, lubricate and maintain moving components using specialized lubricants. Image detection system. Technical approach. Regularly check detectors using diagnostic tools. Address issues promptly based on technical specifications. Remember, adhering to technical guidelines and using precise tools are essential for effective X-ray machine maintenance and repair. Troubleshooting specific issues with the X-ray machine. When it comes to troubleshooting, specific issues with an X-ray machine, a systematic approach is crucial. Let's delve into the steps you can take. Visual inspection. Begin by meticulously examining the external components of the X-ray machine. Look for any visible physical damage, wear, or abnormalities. This initial inspection provides insights into potential issues that might affect the machine's performance. Timely identification of physical damage allows for prompt repair or replacement, preventing more significant problems down the line. Understanding error codes. Error codes serve as invaluable diagnostic tools. Consult the machine's manual, which contains a comprehensive list of error codes along with their corresponding explanations. Understanding these codes helps pinpoint malfunctions within the X-ray machine. Power and connectivity issues. When faced with power-related problems, ensure proper connections of power cords to outlets and power sources. A systematic approach to troubleshooting is essential in this case. Calibration and alignment problems. Misalignment within an X-ray machine can significantly impact image quality and overall performance. Recalibration and realignment of machine components are necessary steps to restore accurate functionality. Mechanical malfunctions. Moving parts and mechanical components can be susceptible to malfunctions over time. Regular maintenance tasks such as lubrication, cleaning, and preventive measures are essential to address these issues effectively. Remember, maintaining optimal functionality requires timely diagnosis and professional handling.